Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Vivid filter on your iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. This simple guide will make your photos pop with color and clarity, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the camera app. Make sure you're in photo mode to access the new filter options. Step 2. Choose the Vivid filter. At the top of your screen, you should see new Photographic Style options. Swipe through and select Vivid to add a bright, colorful effect to your photos. You can also try Warm or Cool to see if they suit your style. Step 3. Adjust and capture. Once you have Vivid selected, frame your shot. Take your photo with the Vivid filter active and watch how the colors become more vibrant. Step 4. Apply Vivid in photo editing. If you've already taken a photo and want to add the Vivid effect afterward, you can. Open your Photos app and select the image you want to edit. Tap Edit at the top, then choose Filters at the bottom. Select Vivid from the filter options, adjust the intensity if desired, and save your changes. That's all. Using the Vivid filter will enhance the colors in your images and give them a more striking look. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe to Error Genie for more iPhone tips and tricks.